I want to see the octopus drawn by you, and I'm seeing.
Octopus?
Mommy, that's the octopus.
Yes.
Where did you see it from?
I can see where the rubbing things.
So what is this?
That's ear.
No, these round things. This one.
Round thing like eye.
Those are eyes. Okay. How about this one? This one here.
This around.
This one. It's a what?
A mouth.
A mouth.
Yes.
And what are these ones?
Ordinary legs.
The legs.
Yes.
Oh wow. Mama, you are the best.
And turn right. Look.
Just know Mama is so proud of you.
Yes, I love me.
Mama loves you so much.
Kiss again.
I can see again.